Hello, it's Eric, and today I have an unboxing video for you. We are unboxing a purchase from UltraSabers. Inside we have an Emperor's Hand with the Emerald driver, as well as a $75 mystery box. So let's see what we've got. Units. .32-inch Ultra Edge mid-grade blade. Battery charger. That's part of the battery. I think that's part of the battery charger. Here's the other part. This is the Emperor's Hand. And here we have the blade plug and Allen wrench. Pretty sure that's everything in the box, so we'll set that aside. Okay, I know everybody is most interested in the mystery box, so open up and see what we got. See if I can do it without making so much noise. Okay, as you can see, this one has no white paper on it, so it is not one with sound, but that is absolutely fine. Sentinel V4. So here we have it, the silver Sentinel V4 with the guarded switch, obviously no sound, and let's quickly put the blade in and see what color we've got. Allen wrench. Two of them, one for each. See, they're different sizes. And we've got blue. I think it's the Guardian blue. Next we have the Emperor's Hand that I chose for myself. This is why I didn't care if the mystery box had sound or not, because I ordered one myself that is exactly what I wanted. And this one does have sound. have to take a tab out of here. We'll take a look. There we go. Well, I don't see a tab there, so maybe I just have to turn it on. Put that back in. Screw this on. And here we go. Purple with the Obsidian V4 sound, the emerald driver, so that the blade color can be changed. I ordered these on January 17th and they arrived today. Today is February 16th, so it took just about a month to receive. Anyway, that is this video. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.